Hello, welcome. I know looking at this, it will take you some few seconds to get the answer. Question 28. In the diagram, m is minus 40 and n is 0.6. These are 2 points on a line. We have to find the gradient of that line. Remember, in finding gradient, you're looking for how steep the line is. That is the steepness of the line. How it is climbing, that is rising and falling. Now, so if I want, I can easily see that my gradient is equals to the rise. How high the line is rising away from the zero. From 0 to this point is what? 6. Then what is the run? How is it running? We know you can run to the left or the right. So the running is from the 0 towards where the point is. And that will give you 4, not -4. Running, the movement, the distance is what? 4. So that will give you 3 on 2 or 1.5. Simple as that. That is what I mean by getting it in seconds. Now, to show working, we also can say that we are beginning from mn. So this is the first point, which is the x1 and the y1, x2 and the y2. So we're quoting the gradient formula. Which is the x, like y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus what? X1. So let's substitute the value we have here. 6 is a y2 minus y1, which in this case will be 0. Your x2 will be 0. Then your x1 is going to be what? Minus 4. Remember, negative, negative together in that form will become positive. So as we'll be having 6 over 4, 3 over 2, 1.5. So the 1.5 we had from here, since it's section A, you can go with this and get your answer, or go to the formula and substitute the values in, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.